Cardi B. Yeah. She has broken her silence after members of her entourage allegedly attacked an autograph seeker following Monday night's Met Gala. According to police, a verbal dispute broke out after a fan approached the rapper outside New York City's Mark Hotel. The encounter allegedly escalated to a physical altercation, but Cardi B is defending the situation, writing in a now-deleted tweet that fans have to respect her space. Here is Cardi B's quote: "If you check my tag pics, I take a lot of pics with fans. Some people are not fans, and sometimes I don't want no pics, and I simply don't want people too close because of my pregnancy. I don't know what are people's intentions, so I be careful. Why can't people respect that?" That's her quote, and a video obtained by TMZ shows the fan, identified as Giovanni Arnold, being punched and stomped on the ground. Arnold was taken to the hospital for his injuries, later alleging to media outlet The Blast that it was Cardi B's fiancé Offset who told members of their entourage to, quote, "go after him." Police are looking into speaking to the 3 entourage members involved in that altercation, according to The Blast, but are not seeking to interview Cardi B or Offset at this time.